sex so deep. You got it, girl. You got it. I know. But if you run your mouth and brag about this secret rendezvous, I will hunt you down. Cause they be all up in my business like a Wendy interview. This is private between you and I. Flew to Cooper 17, no guidance. And I've been saying low, but you know.
What is up, y'all? It is me, it is she, it's your girl Leah D, and I'm back with another video. And this video is a makeup tutorial. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, but let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep my face. I have dry skin, so I have to use some type of oil on my face, and I'm using some Juvia oil. I want to believe that's the product name. Then right after that, I'm going to use a Lancôme primer. And then I'm going to use a moisturizer to set everything on my face. And I'm going to use a clean and clear moisturizer. And sorry if you hear something in the background. That is my fan going. Excuse me. I'm trying to talk louder than my fan, so hopefully you guys don't hear it. Alright, so after I'm done prepping my face, I go right into my eyebrows. I like to do my eyebrows first. And the two products I'm going to be using for my eyebrows is Anastasia Dipbrow in the shade Chocolate. And I'm also going to be using the NYX Dual Pencil. I believe it's in the color Espresso or the shade right up under it. I can't really remember it. So sorry if I got the, sorry that I don't know the shade for it. But yeah. And when I like to do my eyebrows, I learned a technique from my best friend, because sometimes I don't always keep my eyebrows arched. Is when I get to the tail end, I brush up and get underneath my eyebrow, then I brush down and get on top of my eyebrow and make sure I get the perfect arch. And I'm only going to do one eyebrow on camera. The other one I did off camera, because I feel like once you learn how to do one, you can do the other. But if y'all want a more detailed eyebrow video, let me know in the comments. So the next thing I'm going to do is get ready to color correct my face. And I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro. I want to say the color is a reddish orange. It doesn't have a name for it. It has like numbers for it. But yeah, I put that under my eyes and on my 5 o'clock shadow, because I do have a 5 o'clock shadow. And I just blend it on out into my skin. Then I'm going to go ahead and clean up these eyebrows, honey, because I do not like bushy eyebrows. I do not like I like a natural effect, but I really don't. So I'm going to be using, everything I'm going to use on my eyebrows is LA Girl Pro. And I'm going to use Warm Honey up under my eyebrow. And then I'm going to use Fawn on top. I use 2 different shades. I feel like the eyes and eyebrows itself take the longest time when it comes to doing makeup, for me anyways. Because I get my foundation, that ain't nothing. So, yeah, girl. And like I said, I'm going on top using LA Girl Pro once again, but in the shade Fawn. And it is concealers, by the way. You can never go wrong with LA Girl Pro. Like, I think that's everybody's goes to. I think I said I ain't had no tail. I think I drew my tail off. So now I'm just blending that concealer on top and under my eyebrow. So that way it can all blend together. And I put enough concealer up under my eyebrow, so I won't have to go back in with more concealer when I get ready to do my foundation. Not my foundation, but my eyeshadow. Yeah, you just clean that eyebrow up to your liking. Snatch, period. So now I'm going to go in with my Juvia's palette for my eyeshadow. I'm going to do a simple look real quick because we had to go to the movies at a certain time. I think the first color you guys are going to see me use is the color on the top row. It's called Yoded, I believe. And I'm using my Morphe M115 blending brush, I want to say, my crease brush. And I love that brush so much, y'all. It's dope. Like, and I don't think I only paid like $3 for it. Morphe has some cheap brushes, so if you're looking for cheap brushes but good brushes, get some Morphe brushes. And I'm putting that on the top of my eyebrow crease, like on the bone part, and I'm blending out on all over my eye. Then I'm going to take a blending brush and blend everything out. Then I'm going to the shade. I was going to use the reddish shade in that palette. I don't remember what palette it was, y'all. Let me tell y'all the name. It's the Juvia's Warrior 2 palette. So I decided to use a more deeper color than that one in that palette. I think it's the darkest brown in that palette I used. And I'm putting that right in my crease. And I like to put it and draw it out a little bit under my eyes. And all of my products that I will be using, I will put in the description box below, just in case I miss anything. Then I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer to my eyes for my Morphe palette. I want to say it's 9D, but I'm not sure. Like I said, if I miss something, I'll put it in the description box below. And I'm using the darkest shimmer in the palette. And like I said, it was a quick, simple look. 3 colors. And that was it. And just make sure everything is blended out, girl. So next step, we're going to do our foundation, and I'm using a Real Techniques brush, and the foundation I use is the Fenty Hydrating foundation, the newest one she has out, and my shade is 370. Y'all, I love this foundation so much. Like I said, I have dry skin, so I need makeup or I need foundation that has like a dewiness to it to keep my skin moisturized and hydrated, and the Fenty foundation does exactly that. I love it better than my Bare Minerals, child. But yes, I'm just gonna blend, blend, blend. And ladies, always make sure when you put your foundation on, you get that neck, girl. Ain't nothing worse than seeing a girl who got pretty makeup on and it ain't blending out to her neck. I can't stand that. But yeah, just blending, blending, blending. And then I'm going to go and use my concealers. Once again, I'm using LA Girl Pro. I'm going to be using that Warm Honey I use for my eyebrows. And I'm also going to be using the shade Espresso on my contour lines. And like I get my concealer under my eyes, my cupid's bow, my chin, on my nose bridge and my forehead. Then my contour I use on my cheekbones, on the side of my cheekbones, and on my forehead. And if y'all see me talking to somebody, 9 times out of 10 I'm talking to Jasmine. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend everything all out, girl. Watch how all this come together. It's gonna look bomb. It's gonna look bomb. And if y'all would like a more detailed makeup tutorial video, let me know in the comments. I would definitely do that. This video was like a real quick one because we was going to the movies, like I said, and we was already late when we got in there. So this was like, let me just record myself doing my makeup real quick. I don't even know why I put contour on my forehead, because I got a small forehead. It don't do nothing for me. Yes, girl, snatch your nose, get it together. Then I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance loose setting powder. I want to say it's in the shade Banana, and you can find that at Walmart. I think I only paid like $5 and some change for it when it first came out, and I love it. It does what it's supposed to do. It sets the makeup really, really good. I mean the concealer really, really good. It doesn't give me any flashback or anything like that. And then while I'm setting under my eyes and things like that, I'm going to go ahead and contour. I like to contour before I set my contour. And I'm using the Black Radiance palette in the, I want to say medium to deep dark, if I'm not mistaken. And I get my forehead inside of my cheeks again, and I'm going to go ahead and set my contour because I want it to look snatch, honey. So after that, I go ahead and get ready to put on my lashes. So I'm using the NYX Vinyl Liner. I really don't care for vinyl, like wet liners, but that's the only thing I have right now until I can go get me like a pencil liner. Wet liners just, it's a hit and miss. Either you got it or you don't. And I don't do wings because I don't know how to do a wing. So yeah. Then I'm gonna go in and hit my lashes up real quick. I'm gonna be using Benefits It's Real mascara. I think that's what it's called. Like I said, if I messed up on a product, I will put it down in the description box below. And I'm gonna be using my best friend lash line, TheJayAbri lashes. I'm so excited for her. I'm so happy that she started her business venture. I'm gonna be using the lashes in Tease. These are called Tease. She has like 9 other different lashes. Once she gets her business up and running real good, I would definitely do a video and shout her out and talk about the different lashes she has. Then what I like to do is sometimes if I can't meet my lashes with my lash line, I use that NYX eyebrow pencil and I go in and fill in the bottom of my lashes. Then I'm just putting some liner on top of the lashes to make everything seem seamless. And now I'm going to go in with my Sephora Baked powder, and it is in the shade Deep Mahogany. And I'm just going to dust off all that extra setting powder on my face and bring some color back in my face with the powder I have. That's Sephora powder. Then I'm going to be using a contour brush, and I'm going to hit up my contour with a bronzer. It is the Sephora bronzer. I love it so much. It just made my contour look flawless, y'all. And then I'm going to hit my cheeks up with a little Tarte Paaarty blush. I really don't wear blush like that, but if I do wear blush, it's that blush because I really like it. It just melts into the skin. And y'all, sorry for the rest of this video. Y'all gonna see nothing but my nose, from everything from the nose up, child. Me and my makeshift tripod. And then I'm gonna hit my cheeks up with some highlighter. This is my best friend Jasmine's highlighter palette. She got it from Sephora for like really, really cheap. I don't know the brand, but like I said, I will put it in the description box below. And I love the highlighter. It just melts into the skin, girl. Look at that. I hate that I recorded this video and the rest of it's on, you only can see my nose, child. Then I'm going to go on with the lips. I'm going to do MAC. Everything on my lips is going to be MAC. It's the Chestnut Pencil, which is my favorite lip liner from them. I only use that lip liner. It's like the bomb. And Aaliyah wore it too when she was living. And then I'm going to go in with Velvet Teddy, I want to believe, on my lips. And then I'm going to hit up a little gloss, and I'm going to use a Too Faced gloss. Like I said, I don't remember the name, but I'll put it down in the description box below. And I set my face with some rose water. So yeah, y'all. Hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. That is a picture of how my makeup looked after.
Like them boys down south, like the baby. Know how to flip them money 3.